Hey, what's going on, guys? Lawson with Custom Offsets. We're down here in sunny Florida to give you guys another spotlight. This is going to be a 2006 Dodge Ram 2500 Cummins. And this thing's decked to the hills under the hood. Let's check it out. Alrighty, guys, so obviously this build is a little bit different for you guys. So this is actually one of the guys that works at the shop here with Dalton Betrand. But if we're starting out in the rear, obviously out back, he's got the roll pan bumper, and he's also got a shaved tailgate. Now, if you guys look at this thing, it's in a beautiful blue. This is actually a paint code from a newer Dodge Challenger. So this paint looks phenomenal. This whole truck looks phenomenal. He just got this thing detailed. You could freaking eat off this thing. So this thing is so beautiful. Coming up to the top, we got an 8-inch stack in the back of the truck, in the bed here. Obviously, performance truck. We got to roll that coal, baby. And he's got an 8-inch stack. So moving up front, he also has tint. So a little bit of tint on here because, well, Florida, their cop cars have freaking tint. Everything needs tint down here. If you guys take a look at the interior, this is freaking custom, man. This looks so beautiful. So he ended up having a guy out in California do these seats for him and actually match the trim pieces in the door. It's so fantastic. It's something that no one thinks about when they're doing their build. This thing is like a freaking performance street truck, and this man took the time to actually upgrade his interior and make it look so damn good. You guys see, obviously, 6-speed, baby. This thing is manual because manuals are the best. Moving up front, this is on a stock suspension, so he has not touched the suspension. Obviously, he went straight for power, straight for performance. He didn't want to touch the suspension at all. But if we move into the wheels and tires, he still didn't have any issues fitting in these 22x12 hostile sprockets in the black and milled. If I pull out my dollar bill, because we're doing bill tests out here in Florida, 6-inch for a bill, plop her down in there. I'd say we're sitting at about 5 inches. 4.5, 5-inch lip, not too bad on the 12 wide on the hostile. He's also got these sprockets wrapped in Nitto's 420B, so it's their newer street tire. So nice street tire to go with his performance ass hauling diesel. All right, so out back, you guys saw the taillights. He also has headlights done. These are just like an Amazon special. Some body styles, it just works, man. The Amazon specials just work. That just means you can put a little bit extra pennies underneath the motor, and that's exactly what he did here. So I mean, this thing is freaking beautiful. He's got the 24 valve, everything's polished up. He's got a 69 mil turbo. 69 millimeter turbo in there, in this truck. It's freaking crazy, man. This thing hauls ass. Obviously powder coated in the fluorescent orange right there. As you guys see, all of his piping is also powder coated in the fluorescent orange. This thing's built. Obviously the trans didn't need to get built because, well, it's a manual, but he does have a dual disc clutch, which also helped out. This thing is pretty freaking crazy. I've been told that out of all the trucks on the lot, if you look around, this thing hauls the most ass, and we're about to go find out. All right, that's what we got for you guys on today's spotlight video of this 2006 Cummins. If you guys need wheels or tires like these, you guys can get that at customoffsets.com. We also have performance parts just like this man on his Cummins. You guys can also find that at customoffsets.com. We'll see you guys in the next one.